Good morning, student. Chapter number 6, Molecular Basic of Inheritance. Most important questions today discussed for genetic code during replication and transcription. First of all, what is replication process? Replication means while proposing a double helical structure for DNA was discovered by scientists Watson and Crick. Immediately propose a scheme replication of DNA means first double-stranded DNA is a origin strand. Replicate from 1 to 2 strand. It is a replication form. It has not except for the notice that the specific pairing of the postulated immediately suggests a possible copying mechanism for genetic material for Watson and Crick 1953. The scheme for suggested that two strands would separate and act as a template for the synthesis of new complementary strands after the completion of replication of DNA molecule. This is a DNA replicate from the semi-conservative model. DNA is a replication form. The genetic code first process is replication and second process is a transcription. What is transcription? Transcription means DNA convert to mRNA. This is a transcription process. A nucleic acid was copied to form another nucleic acid. Hence, these processes are easy conceptualized on the basis of complementary. The process of translation. Translation means DNA convert to mRNA and mRNA convert to proteins. This is a translation process. Require transfer from genetic information from a polymer nucleotide to the polymer amino acid. Neither does any complementary exit between nucleotides and amino acid. Nucleoside means what is nucleoside? Nucleoside means nitrogen base plus pentose sugar. Second, what is nucleotide? Nucleotide means nitrogen base plus pentose sugar plus phosphate group. Nor could any be drawn theoretically. There existed ample evidence through the support notion that change in nucleic acid is a genetic material, were responsible for the change of amino acid in proteins. This led to proposition of genetic code could direct the sequence of amino acid during the synthesis of proteins. If determining the biochemical nature of genetic material and the structure of DNA was very exciting, the proportion and despairing of genetic code were most challenging very true science. It required involvement of scientists from several disciplines for nature for physically means physicist, organic chemist, biochemist and genetics. First discovered George Gambow, a physics was argued since there only 4 base they have code for 20 amino acids. 4 base contain 20 amino acids. The code constituted combination base is suggested for the code only 20 amino acids. The code should be 3 nucleotide. 1 nucleotide is a 4 base and 3 nucleotide means 4 multiply 4 is a 64 codons. generating more codons means providing proof codon. It is a triplet was more daunting task. The chemical method developed by Hargobind Khorana was instrumental in synthesizing RNA molecules with defined combination with the base of homopolymer and copolymer. First discovered by Marcel Nirenberg's cell-free system for protein synthesis, and finally helped the code be disappear, and Shivero-Oka enzyme for polynucleotide phosphorylase was also helpful in polymerizing RNA. Define finally template independent manner for enzymatic synthesis of RNA. This is a checkerboard. First position is a UCAG, second position UCAG, and third position UCAG. Means U, and U. First U, and C, and third U, and A, and fourth position is a U, and G. These saline features of genetic code are as follow. This is 64 codons. Saline features of genetic code are as follow. In board, 2 marks question or 3 mark question. This is IMP of saline features of genetic code. First points. The codon is a triplet. This is a triplet codon. UUU, UUC, UUA. 61 codons code for amino acid, and only 3 codons do not code for any amino acid. Hence, they function of the stop codon. Means 3 is a stop codon. Second, 1 codon codes for only one amino acid. 1 codon codes for this is a 1 code only for one amino acid, hence is unambiguous and specific. Third number, some amino acid are coded by more than one codon, hence the code is a degenerate only for more than one codon. Fourth position, the codon is read only mRNA in a continuous fashion. There is no punctuation. The code, fifth point, the code is a nearly universal. Universal, for example, bacteria to human is UUU, would code for phenylalanine PHE, and some expression to this rule have been found in mitochondrial codon. In some is a protozoans. Most important last points, it is a AUG. AUG dual functions. It codes for methionine, and it's also act as a initiator codon. Means checkerboard. This is a AGU, UUU, UUC, UUC, UUU, UUU, and UUC. Now opposite direction for amino acids coded for the sequence nucleotide RNA: methyl, phenyl, 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 and phenyl. Clear? This is a saline features of genetic code. Most important question for 64 codons. Gobind Khorana. This is a triplet code. Marcel Nirenberg system for protein synthesis, and universal code for UUU. Initiation codon for AUG or methionine, and 3 is an anticodon, means 3 codons is a not code for amino acid. The codon is only for triplet, and 61 code for amino acid. 3 codon is only for stop codon. Clear?